I'm here with my Dash egg bite maker and some baby bok choy. So I've already chopped up this baby bok choy and I've rinsed it really well. And I am going to be sauteing it in the egg bite maker.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
And this is going to be the rest of my breakfast today. So I've already had some herbal tea and I've had some fresh fruit. And now I feel like something cooked, something green, and have some baby bok choy. So I figured I'd saute some of this. After it cooks, I might turn this into an omelet. We'll see. So this egg bite maker has already heated up. And I'm just going to add a little bit of butter to the bottom of it. I should have used a non-stick spatula. And I'm just going to add the bok choy. And this will cook down. So I'm going to pile it in the middle. Be very careful. Don't burn yourself. Don't touch anything that's hot. So it's all piled up. And I'm going to close this. And we'll be back to check on it in about 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes now, so let's check on these greens. Let's see how they're doing. They're doing good. They've cooked down a little bit. There's a decent amount of liquid in these, so I don't have to add any, and they're not browning or burning, but as I stir these around, they are kind of wilting down and condensing, so it looks like they fit a lot better now. So we'll close this and we'll cook this for another 2 minutes. It's been another 2 minutes, so let's open this up. There's a lot more steam coming out and a lot of the liquid from the bok choy is cooking out of it. I'm actually going to let this go another 2 minutes. I'm going to let it cook down a little bit more. Alright, it's been another 2 minutes. Let's open it up. For sauteed bok choy, these look really good. I could remove these right now, put them on a plate, drizzle them with a little bit of sesame oil, and I would be really happy. Today, I am going to add an egg to this, and I am going to turn this into a bok choy omelette. I have a beaten egg right here, and I'm just going to add this to the egg bite maker. I'm just going to spread it around to make sure it hits every part of it. So we take out one large bok choy omelet. And let's close this. And let's come back in another 2 minutes. Okay, let's check on this. It definitely needs more cooking time for the eggs. So let's close that and then let's cook this for another 3 minutes. I feel like this Dash egg bite maker definitely needs more cooking time than my Dash 8-inch griddle or my Dash mini griddle. Okay, it's been another 3 minutes, so it's been 5 minutes in total after I put the eggs in. So let's look at this now. That looks really good. It looks like the eggs are done. I don't like runny eggs, so I like to make sure that they're done. Let's see. Is it going to be easy to come out? Is it going to break? I'm going to get a bigger spatula. Always remember to unplug your egg bite maker when you are done with it. And that's how easy it is to make a bok choy omelet in a Dash egg bite maker. I live near an Asian supermarket, and that is where I buy the baby bok choy. It's actually very cheap. I get a big bag of baby bok choy for only $2. They sell it for about 88 cents a pound, so It's a really economical vegetable to buy. And I also really enjoy this chili oil. This is La Yu chili oil, and this is only like $3 for this little bottle. The ingredients in here are sesame oil, corn oil, chili pepper extract, and paprika color, and this is a product of Japan. So this tastes like spicy sesame oil, so I'm going to use this on my bok choy omelette. I'm just going to drizzle some of this on the omelette. It looks so good and it smells so good. If you want, you could add a little bit of salt. You could also add some pepper if you like. This is a nice, light, healthy breakfast, and it's full of veggies. Let's taste it. It's so good. I love bok choy. Specifically baby bok choy. Now, if you've never had baby bok choy, I'm trying to think what I can compare it with. It's almost like a more delicate collard green. If you've ever had collard greens or something like that, baby bok choy is like a very delicate version of that. The thicker stem pieces still have a bit of a crunchy texture, and then the leaves are much softer. It is part of the cruciferous family, so the taste does have some similarity to like broccoli or cauliflower. The bok choy has retained a lot of its moisture, and I only used 1 egg, so this is not very eggy at all. I really prefer more vegetables than eggs. Some people like more eggs than veggies, in which case you could always make this with 2 eggs and some veggies, but for me, this is absolutely perfect as it is right now. It's so good when you want something warm on a winter's day. I'm looking outside, it's snowing. We have like a foot of snow on the ground. I wanted something warm for breakfast, so some sautéed veggies and a little bit of egg to turn it into an omelet is a really healthy meal. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.